Hello, people. If this is the first time in this channel, welcome. My name is Pina, and this is a series of video tutorials for people who want to get a better score in the TOEFL test. If you've been here before, then welcome back. All right. So right now we're working with written expression and we're working with parallel structure. So we're gonna move on to skill 25. Use parallel structure with pair conjunctions. In the previous video, we worked with coordinate conjunctions. Now we're going to work with pair conjunctions. The pair conjunctions require parallel structures. What are the pair conjunctions? Both this and that, either this or that, neither this nor that, not only this, but also, okay? So again, I know both where you went and what you did, okay? Either Mark or Sue has the book. He will working with choice. The tickets are neither in my pocket nor in my purse. Here we are agreeing on a negative sentence. Remember, neither nor are negative ideas. He is not only an excellent student, but also an outstanding athlete. Right. Here you can see an example of a sentence that is not parallel. And he wants either to go by train or by plane. Okay, so the pair conjunctions are fine, either or, but to go is an infinitive, and here we have the prepositional phrase. So remember that we need to have the same structure on both sides. So he wants either to go by train or to go by plane. Infinitive, infinitive. He wants to go either by train or by plane, or he wants to go by either train or plane. Okay, so it has to be the same structure on both sides of the pair conjunctions. When you're using these pair conjunctions, be sure that the correct parts are used together. For example, here's, I want both this book or that one, or is not the pair for both. It's both this and that. Okay, so we are never going to mix and match. No, these pair conjunctions that always go together. It's what the pair conjunctions always go together. So it's both and, either or, neither nor, not only, but also. Either Sam nor Sue is taking the course. No, either does not pair with nor. It should be either or, okay? Or neither nor. The sentences are incorrect because the wrong parts of the verb conjunctions are used together. The example and should be used with both, and the second example or should be with either. Okay, so remember, it's parallel structure, the same structure on both sides. So what could be the problem when you're making a sentence like this? You're either not using the correct structure on both sides, or you're not pairing the conjunctions correctly. Okay, so you have to be on the lookout for those two things. Okay, so when you got parallel structures, we got part of the pair conjunction, same structure and same structure on both sides. That's what you got to remember. The proper pairs and the proper same structure on both sides. Okay, so let's do exercise 25. Each of the following sentences contains word or group of words that should be parallel. So we're going to circle the word or words that indicate the sentence should have parallel parts. We're going to underline the parts that should be parallel and then check if the sentences are correct or incorrect. Look at the example. According to the syllabus, you can either write a paper or you can take an exam. So the pair conjunctions are fine, either or. The point is, here you have, you can take an exam, and he says, write a paper. So it should be, according to the syllabus, you can either write a paper or take an exam, right? So here you got the auxiliary, you can do this or do that. Letter number 2, it would be both noticed and appreciated, right? Both and, their conjunctions are fine. Notice, past tense, appreciated, past tense, you can finish the work before you leave. So this is fine, no problem. All right, guys, now it's time for you to pause the video and complete the exercise. When you finish, come back and check your answers. I'll be here when you come back. Okay, pause the video now. All right, now that you're back, here we can see she would like neither to see a movie nor to go bowling, right? To see, to go. We have infinitives on both sides, but it's incorrect because those are not the pair conjunctions. Yeah, it should be. She would like neither to see the movie nor to go bowling. Either the manager or her assistant can help you with your refund. Okay, so we got either or, that's the pair conjunction. Then we got two occupations, everything's fine. She wants not only to take a trip to Europe, but she also would like to travel to Asia. Okay, so it's not only, but also, you know, we don't separate the part of the verb conjunctions, not only, but also, not but she also. You know, he could correct neither what you said nor you wrote. So this is a pair conjunction. But the problem here is that we have what you said as a clause, and here you wrote. We're missing one of those question words. So, you know, it should be what you wrote. You should correct neither what you said, not what you wrote. Okay, both the tailor or the laundress, tailor, the laundress, the two occupations, but both does not match, or it should be both and. It should be and. Both the tailor and the laundress do this for you. He not only called the police department, but also, very good, call. Okay, we got not only, but also, verse in the past tense, it's parallel, problem. You can graduate either at the end of the fall semester, or you can graduate at the end of the spring semester. Here we have a problem. You see, it's at the end, you know, so it's not parallel. So it's here, you can graduate, here's the verb, either at the end of the fall semester or at the end of the spring semester. No, you omit that one. The movie was neither amusing nor was it interesting. Okay, so here we only have an adjective amusing, so we shouldn't have this here. The movie was neither amusing nor interesting. Okay, so take a look at these answers. Remember that you must be, the sentence must be parallel. We're working with pair conjunctions, so it should be the same structure on both sides of pair conjunctions. So that was that. If you find this information useful, give it a thumbs up. That really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to the channel and share it with somebody who might be interested in this, who might need it. So remember, this is a free tutorial, so spread the wealth. Okay, so thank you very much. See you in the next video.